Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. This is Bard.google.com. Prompt is, you are a Python and Google Apps expert. Write a plan for connecting Google Sheets to Google Colab. Not very sophisticated prompt, not very sophisticated response. Import gspread, Colab auth, authenticate using authenticate user. Open the sheet gc.open, but you'll notice GC, and we'll get to this in a second, GC was not imported, so it wasn't aware of what it needed to import. Explains it all, get the spreadsheet, worksheet with the following code, sheet.sheet, and then gives down here all of the code to get it to work. But you can see that even after I did import GC, it doesn't like this code because GC has no attribute. GC has no attribute open. And if I followed up with this, GC is not defined. That's where I had to import the GC. GC is not defined, import GC. And then I used, then I ran the code again, didn't work. And then I got an attribute error, has no attribute open, which is what GC, what code Bard.google suggested first. Then I go back down here, and it now has, by this time, it's completely forgotten about the first code that it suggested here, code snippet. And now it's just giving little bits of code. So not super impressed with Bard.google.com to support my mapillary interests. And why am I showing you this? Because, well, that's not the right, interesting. It's not allowing me to connect it to Google Colab. Let's see if it allows the bigger one right here. I guess it doesn't. It's not allowing me to connect. It's not allowing to connect the whole thing. That would be something that Bard.google would do well, is to make this whole thing an interactive, or connect Bard.google directly into Google Colab, because that would really make a lot of sense. But it doesn't look like that's an option yet. Thanks for watching. Happy computing.